Hey y'all, so this is my current curly hair wash day routine. My wash day routine is pretty simple to be honest. I used to wash my hair only one times a week, but now I do it every 4 to 5 days to keep my hair looking healthy and to prevent single strand knots because I get those quite frequently because I do a lot of wash and goes. I usually wear my hair down for about 3 days and then I'll put my hair into a bun or ponytail for like 1 to 2 days and then I'll wash my hair the following day, if that makes any sense. So I'm just splitting my hair into two sections because I feel like it's easier to work in two sections on my hair for wash day. And then I'm just going to shampoo and deep condition one side, and then I'm going to do the other side and just repeat the same process. For a shampoo today, I'm using the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Shampoo. That was a lot to say, oh my gosh. It smelled so good, but I feel like it's more clarifying than a moisturizing shampoo. I always shampoo my hair with the Camille Rose Ginger Rinse, but I ran out so I decided to use this one. It did a really good job at sudsing up, and it thoroughly cleansed my scalp. My hair felt really dry after using this, so I had to go in with a deep conditioning mask right after using this shampoo. This is my first time using a shampoo brush slash scalp massager. It was literally a few dollars at Sally's beauty supply store. I felt like it was tangling up my hair and it kind of felt good, but not really. I felt like the tips of my fingers do a way better job at getting to my scalp than the scalp brush crab, anyways. So this is my hair after rinsing the shampoo out. My hair actually looks pretty moisturized, but it just felt really dry. So that was confusing. So now I'm going to section my hair in two parts again, and I don't use regular conditioner at all. That's just something I took out of my routine because I feel like it's just an extra step and it's not necessary. So I just take the Main Choice Peach Black Tea and Vitamin Fusion Anti-Shedding and Intense Volume Therapy Mask. So I highly recommend this, 10 out of 10. This was my first time using it. This mask is good if your hair is protein sensitive and low porosity like me because this mask has no protein in it. I then take my white tooth comb and always start from the ends to the root so you don't cause unnecessary breakage. I like to make sure I use a deep conditioner with tons of slip, and this mask was just that. I'm also very generous when it comes to using my hair products. After I detangle with a deep conditioner, I then twist my hair so it's out of my way and I continue to the other section of my hair. Now I'm taking my plastic cap and I put it on my hair while I finish the rest of my shower. When I get out of the shower, I use my thermal hot head deep conditioning cap and heat it up in the microwave and keep it on my head for about 30 minutes to an hour. This is all the hair I lost. Honestly, I was freaking out a little bit because I never usually lose this much hair on wash day. Ever since my hair's been growing longer, I've been losing more hair while I detangle, so I'm hoping this is normal.
Bye, guys.